Thank you for this opportunity to talk to you about some of the applications in our finance lab. Over 10 years ago, I started building a finance lab at the Rotman School. Initially, we focused on providing convenient access to comprehensive research data, and also real-time news and information about companies, their fundamentals, about markets, and about the data and access to the data for the securities that trade on those markets around the world. To this end, we've developed several applications in the lab that integrate theory and practice. Two of these are now being leased by universities and companies around the world in order to enhance their own learning and training programs. One of these products is the Rotman Interactive Trader, which is a simulation-based learning application, which, like a flight simulator, allows participants to learn about and practice safe strategies for managing uncertain outcomes. The Rotman Interactive Trader consists of three essential components. The first is an ATS, or Alternative Trading System, which is an electronic exchange which matches buyers and sellers in an order-driven market. The second component is a sequence of experiential learning cases which simulate the risks and opportunities associated with specific securities or a collection of securities and the associated investment or portfolio or risk management objective. Finally, the third component is a collection of Excel templates that link in real time to the simulated market and apply the relevant theory for each case. This allows participants to derive the optimal strategy from the perspective of theory and try it out on the market, interacting with other informed and uninformed participants. Let me give you an example. I'll use our simplest introductory case to illustrate the linking of the theory and practice. This is our fixed income case 1, where you're given a cash account with a known interest rate and the opportunity to trade a treasury bill, which has a 6-month maturity. Your job then is to compare the fair value to the price it's trading at on the market and either buy or sell the security depending upon whether it's under or overvalued. I'm a firm believer in simulation-based learning. Given our varied backgrounds, we don't all have training in statistics and probability theory, which allows us to model and forecast the whole range of potential outcomes that we might face in each situation on the job. Simulation-based cases that focus on particular risks help you acquire those skills through learning by doing. A second application we've developed to integrate theory and practice is called the Rotman Portfolio Manager. I find it's useful to use this platform in tandem with the Rotman Interactive Trader. We have an RIT simulation case that allows participants to learn how to set up a portfolio insurance strategy that's effective and cost-efficient across the full range of potential market outcomes. You can then apply that strategy using the Rotman Portfolio Manager platform to real securities. This forces you to learn the institutional details associated with those securities. Once you've implemented your strategy, you can then track it in the real market over the time period of your course. The Rotman Interactive Trader and the Rotman Portfolio Manager are just two of the applications that we've developed to integrate theory and practice. I believe that they promote individualistic learning because whatever your background, you can participate and learn from your own level while at the same time participating with other people from other backgrounds. Furthermore, I believe they teach you how to learn. As an example, suppose you bring a strategy that you've discussed in your classroom or from your theory and try it out in the lab. This will raise questions. You can then go back to the classroom and further discuss those questions, which will probably give you a deeper understanding of the theory and suggest alternative strategies which you then can test. This virtuous circle of learning is really the foundation of lifelong learning, which is also, I believe, the source of innovation on the job. We are pleased to be at the forefront of developing applications that integrate theory and practice in our lab. And we look forward to our students' participation in those cases because their suggestions and their feedback help us produce new cases that keep us in our leadership position. Thank you very much, and I look forward to your participation.